Hi Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection energy reading for the month of February 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome. And if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate your support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay, Virgo, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy for your twin flame and soulmate connection for the month of February 2021. So let's see what we have here. Virgo, please note that this is going to be a collective general energy reading. Therefore, it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If this message does not resonate with you, Virgo, not Taurus, Virgo, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, I would really appreciate a like, share, and leave a comment on the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. So let's look at into your person energy here, Virgo. Okay, Virgo, so on this side will be your energy and on this side will be your person energy here. Looking at the sign that I'm getting here, I'm getting a very strong Leo energy. So fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. I'm also getting water sign coming up here. Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. As I mentioned in the beginning, I mentioned Taurus, so you could also be dealing with the Taurus as well here, Virgo. So let's look into the mutual energy between both of you here first. I've got loss and then I've got great gratitude coming up here. With the overall energy coming up here, I've got the dark thoughts, I've also got fear. So I feel like at this point of time here, the mutual energy between you and your person here, Virgo, both of you are surrounding by fear, both of you are surrounding by a lot of negative thought, negative mindset coming up here very, very strongly, especially with this fear energy coming up here as well. I feel like some of you here have gone through a huge loss in your life. Now this loss could be the separation between both of you, you and your partner, like the breakup between both of you here, Virgo. This could also be the loss of someone who's actually quite dear towards you here, so like the loss of family members or like a past loved one coming up here very, very strongly. And with this great gratitude energy, the first thing that I'm getting for you here, Virgo, here is that whatever that you lost in the past here is for your own for your own greater good, I would say here, Virgo. So I feel like some of you here, this is going to be for a very, very specific group of people. That some of you here were stuck in a very strong karmic energy, I would say here, with a karmic partner or with a karmic situation. This could also be your person, and you have been released from that energy. So yes, there is definitely some sort of like emotional pain and emotional trauma still within yourself here, Virgo. I keep saying Taurus. I do feel like some of you could be dealing with a very strong Taurus energy here. So some of you here, Virgo, could actually was in a very strong and very toxic karmic situation, and you've been released from that. You've been free from that here, Virgo. But still there are some sort of like emotional pain and emotional trauma that are still within yourself here, and this is something that you need to completely let go of, especially with this loss energy. As you can see here, something that already moved past from you here. Like there are a lot of karmic situation that already left you here, and all you need to do here is that stop looking at the past. It's time for you to completely close the cycle and stop holding on to the past pain, stop holding on to this emotional pain that happened to you in the past. Forgive them, and also coming from the place of gratitude energy. So this is the main energy that I've got for you here, Virgo. Now looking at your sign and looking at your energy here, I've got the Six of Cups, I've got the Two of Wands coming up here, and then I've got the Ace of Wands energy coming up here as well. So some of you here, your third eye chakra and your crown chakra here has been opening up quite strongly here. I would definitely suggest you to do some guided meditation on your third eye chakra and do some guided meditation on your crown chakra as well. Now with this Ace of Wands energy coming up here, this is like you are starting to realize the value of yourself. You're starting to go through this awakening process or this spiritual journey here, and you're finally seeing yourself for who you are worth it here, I would say here, Virgo. And there's definitely like some sort of like hesitation energy coming up here. Again, with this Two of Wands energy and the lost energy coming up here. You are still holding on to something. You are still holding on to that past pain. You're still holding on to this emotional hurt that had happened to you in the past. As you can see here, this person is still holding on to the rope, and this lady is still holding on to this wands here. So you need to completely let go of this here, Virgo. You cannot go through a healing process. You cannot go through this, like completely transformation energy when you're still holding on to a little bit of pain, a little bit of past hurt and emotional pain in the past here. This could be something that you're doing subconsciously as well. Like you do not have this intention to holding on to something like this, but it's like without you even knowing, you kind of like holding on to that here. So this is something that you need to completely let go of here, Virgo. And then I've got the Six of Cups energy. For some of you here, this particular incident or this particular emotional pain and emotional trauma, something that had happened to you in the past, like during your childhood. So this could be like childhood trauma. This could also be like healing your inner child issue, I would say here, Virgo. So before the union to happen between you and your person, because this Six of Cups energy is also talking about a reconciliation, is also talking about a reunion energy here. But before all of this thing to happen here, you need to heal. You need to go back to your past and heal some of your inner child issue, heal some of things that had happened to you in the past here, like childhood trauma, family issue, family upbringing here. Some of you here, this could also happen during your teenage year, I would say here. So you could be like in a abusive situation, like a verbal abuse, physical abuse, or even like mental abuse could also be there. But this is definitely like completely healing yourself, I would say here, Virgo. So that's it for your energy. Now looking at your person energy here, I've got the Three of Wands coming up here, the Sun card, and then I've also got the Queen of Cups energy coming up here as well. So the first thing that I'm getting between you and your person here, Virgo, is that I'm getting like a very strong kind of like immature energy or childish energy, I would say here. So you and your person could have a significant age gap between both of you. But if you do not have a significant age gap between both of you here, this is basically talking about immaturity or childish energy that is either coming out from you or coming out from your person here. Now with your person energy at this point of time, I'm getting like a very strong distance coming up between you and your person here, Virgo. So I feel like both of you could be separated by a distance. Like I'm getting like a very strong water energy coming across of you here. So both of you could be in another country, or your person could be someone who's actually living near water energy, I would even say here. Now with this Three of Wands energy coming up here, they are preparing to come back towards you here, Virgo. They're like this picture coming up here, they're actually preparing to jump into the ship and coming towards you here. I'm also getting a very strong summer energy coming up here. So I do feel like both of you are either going to be reconciled towards each other, or coming back to the communication, or at least meeting up towards each other here during a very strong summer season energy coming up very, very strongly here, Virgo. Now another thing that I've got here is that this Queen of Cups energy and the Nine of Wands energy coming up here, they have this very strong defensive wall building up against themselves, I would say here, Virgo. And the reason why they're building up all this defensive wall here is as a defense mechanism for their own emotion. I do feel like they've also gone through a massive loss in the past. Like I said, this loss energy and the dark thoughts energy here is coming up as the mutual energy between you and your person here, I would say. And look at this, I've also got the Kingdom partnership energy coming up here. So yes, both of you have a very, very strong soulmate connection coming up here, Virgo. But the thing here is that both of you also have the equal triggers, I would say here. Both of you also have equal emotional pain, emotional trauma here, and this is what making your person, they are building up this defensive high wall up in order to protect their emotion. So it's not like they do not like you, it's not like they kind of like avoiding you or something like that, but they're trying to protect themselves. So they will not go all this trauma, they will not go all this emotional pain anymore. So this is something that has been delaying both of your union. This is also something that have been delaying both of you to come back to, to reconcile and to reunion again here. I do feel like your person here have gone through a terrible past, like deception and manipulation here. So they're still kind of like holding on into that as well here, Virgo. So something that you need to do here is that releasing, because both of you are still holding on into this past pain and past emotional trauma. So the moment that you're releasing all this past pain and past emotional trauma, your person is also going to start releasing that as well. And then this is like going to be mirroring up whatever you are doing, whatever healing that you're doing within yourself here, Virgo, is actually going to be mirrored back to your person as well. So try to look into that as well here, Virgo. So that's it for your reading. I hope it resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.